Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed choices. Today, we've got something that's bound to simplify your charging needs on the go: the SDBAUX 2Pack multi-USB charger cable. Stay tuned as we explore this versatile and compact charging solution. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the package, you'll find not one but two of these nifty 3-in-1 retractable charging cables, each measuring 100 centimeters. That's right, you get a spare for those moments when you need it most. And if that's not enough, there's also a 30-day full money-back guarantee and round-the-clock friendly customer service. Impressive, right? The SDBAUX multi-USB charger cable is designed with versatility and convenience in mind. It's a 3-in-1 cable that covers most mobile phones available on the market. It's important to note that this cable is for charging only and doesn't support data transfer. Need to juice up multiple devices simultaneously? No problem. This cable is optimized for fast charging, but do make sure to use it with 5 volts 2A 3A output USB power adapters for the best results. Say goodbye to carrying a tangle of cables in your bag. The SDBAUX 3-in-1 cable is your all-in-one portable charging solution. Whether you're in your car, at the office, or traveling, this cable has got you covered. Let's talk about design. It features a convenient wheel structure that allows for easy cable management. The small size and light weight make it a travel essential, fitting neatly into your pocket or bag. And remember, it's designed for charging, not data transfer. Wondering which devices it's compatible with? Well, it's a true all-rounder. It works with iPhones, Android devices, iPads, tablets, and more. Plus, it supports multiple charging ports, so you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. The cable is equipped with Type-C and micro USB connectors, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including the latest smartphones. One of the standout features of this cable is its retractable design. To extend it, simply pull in different directions. And when you're done, it automatically retracts, keeping your bag clutter-free. The SDBAUX multi-USB charger cable is a must-have travel essential. It's built on mature technology, constantly updated, and features high-quality materials. It's the perfect travel companion to keep your devices charged while you're on the move. In conclusion, the SDBAUX 2Pack multi-USB charger cable is your reliable, all-in-one charging solution. With its versatile compatibility, retractable cord, and fast charging capabilities, it's a must-have for tech-savvy travelers and anyone looking to simplify their charging setup. If you found this review helpful and you're interested in streamlining your charging routine, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Have questions or want to share your experiences with versatile charging cables? Leave a comment below. That's a wrap for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your source for tech reviews that matter. Until next time, stay charged and stay connected. This is Product Critique, signing off.